Hello everyone. Busisiwe Mkhwebane, the suspended public protector, has said that the committee conducting the Section 194 inquiry was shielding Minister Pravin Gordhan from giving evidence. Her counsel advocate Dalimpofu said that Gordhan's evidence will be relevant to the hearings because the inquiry into Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office was based on his allegations against him. Witness Bianca Mvuyana, who investigated Gordhan and the so-called SARS Rock unit, has also come to Mkhwebane's defense at the inquiry. Gordhan was SARS commissioner when the unit was established. The Section 194 inquiry spent most of the Monday going through details of so-called Rock unit and Gordhan's involvement. Pofu said that it will only make sense for Gordhan, a former SARS commissioner, to give evidence about the unit since he made allegations against Mkhwebane. He said, "Mr. Gordhan, actually we said earlier that he's the source of why we are here, although he's being shielded to come and substantiate it here." Investigator Bianca said it's offensive as I stated off even the allegation that I was involved in a conspiracy or vendetta against a person I don't know. What's your take on this one, people? Do you agree with Busisiwe Mkhwebane on this one? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.